Are moshing, now's the time. This song is about when life throws you lemons. You don't want to make lemonade because you hate lemonade. You don't want to throw the lemons back because the guy who threw the lemons can kick your ass. So sometimes you're just stuck and you are caught in the rain, which is the title of this song. Alright. You're completely deranged. Well, now you know what it's like to go insane. Jack the Ripper stands in the corner with his knife, while H.G. Wells takes a human life. Alright. And you're caught in the rain. 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 There's a fine line between smothering support while Genghis Khan and his hordes cavort on tents around the Capitol steps. Well, everybody's running. What the hell do you expect from our leaders? Alright. And they're caught in the rain. 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 Bureaucrats and diplomats and crazy color cats. Well, everybody knows where the money is at. Gotta run, I gotta find a place to hide. The only place I see is a lion's den. Run by hypocrites where you can never win. Alright. And we're caught in the rain. 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 You know retired bluesman is patiently strumming a 12-bar blues that he's dutifully humming. He once was the master of his craft. Well, now he's the victim of his past, which he tries to escape. Alright. And he's caught in the rain. 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 Thank you very much. Good night. Happy birthday, everybody. Stick around.